Crypto craziness is happening across the crypto market as we speak. It is the moment we've all been waiting for, the blow off top. And as you can see, we've had multiple beanstalk candles out of XRP, XLM, and more coins to come. In this video, we're going to go over the macro charts. We're not going to go into any individual altcoins in this video because I'm nervous if I make this video long, my recording software is going to get all messed up and I'll have to redo the video. So I'm going to do screenshots and a little write-up in the Discord for multiple altcoins like XRP, XLM, etc. So join the Discord, link is in the bio. I'll be writing that up. What we're going to cover today is more of the zoomed out macro drivers here. We got the dollar. And what's interesting is the dollar, the bond yields, and crypto and the indices are all rising together. I'm not sure what to make of it, but we ain't complaining. We ain't complaining. But what I'm seeing right now is it looks like the dollar is doing something like back here in 2016, like November 2016, December 2016. You can even see the colors in the void lines as well here too. You have the yellow, green, the blue, the purple, and you have the yellow, green, the blue, the purple, and the red. We pop into the red, and then that happens into December of the end of the year, and then we start with the new year, a meltdown in the dollar, which accelerates the crypto melt up. So it looks like we're seeing something similar here where we see something like a pop up like this, but then we ultimately melt down with the beginning of the new year. So if you see the dollar continuing to rise, it's all good. I mean, as long as the crypto drivers are all intact, then we're all good here. So let's go into those crypto drivers because we got some interesting stuff happening right now. On the left side of the screen, let me move these other charts over. We have the pump dump chart. So here's what I'm expecting as far as the blow off top. When we ultimately reach our macro top in the crypto market, I believe we're going to come down to this zone here around 0.04, 0.03, you can see over here. And that's going to coincide with this trend line coming down, coincide with the 786 from the low to the high here like that, and coincide with the breakdown of this 786 that we actually just did, and it will bring us down to the 2618 extension. So somewhere around this zone right here is going to be a big warning sign for us that, hey, the blow off top could have been popped at that point. So we're going to start to de-risk as we get to that point. But right now we're at a critical point because we're at these lows here. We need to take out this low right here that we had set in March for the pump dump chart on the total crypto market cap, because when we do that, that's when we're going to see everything go, and that's going to be the big melt up across the board. But right now we're kind of at this point where we could see a pop up, come down like that, and we could kind of chop around before coming down entirely. So just be on caution for something like, you know, this kind of whipsaw action before ultimately a meltdown. So now let's look at the Bitcoin dominance, because the Bitcoin dominance, in my opinion, I believe has topped, because we hit that 2618 extension right here. We have the 15-day 200 exponential moving average that we wicked up to, and that candle looks trash right now as well too. And then looking at the pink here, like the last time we were up at this level with the pink was at this top back in August 2019, and then also too we had this one right here which was like back in 2020. So we're at the levels where we could see a top, and then looking at the TSI too, we're the highest we've ever been, and we have prepare to sell soons as well too. And then yeah, we hit that 15-day 200 exponential moving average and the 2618 breakout extension. And on top of that, we saw for others dominance touch down and hold support on the 15-day 200 moving average, and we actually held support. I remember in the Discord I was showing it was like a 786 sandwich where we had this 786 here, we had a micro, medium, and macro 786. We touched it for about a month now, holding it as support with some nice wicks, and now it looks like we're breaking up through the micro 786 here, and now the fibs are pointing to the upside. So the fibs have flipped bullish, and we have 15-day prepare to buy soons. when we got the 15-day buy now back here is like July of 2023, and that's when ultimately the alts bottomed and we saw a melt up from like July all the way up until March of 2024. So things are looking good as far as we have Bitcoin. Oh, hold on one sec. Mr. Man's calling me. Sorry, Mr. Man. I gotta put you on hold for the moment. I got this video, so I'll call you back. But we have the 15-day. Well, we have Bitcoin dominance looking like it's topped, and then we have others dominance looking like it's bottomed. It's the perfect storm here. It's the perfect storm. And we have that TSI, stock RSI getting ready to cross up as well too, and the momentum ready to kick in. We just need to really just get above that 11% for others dominance, and it's game on. Looking at the pump dump chart for altcoins specifically, we're on the daily chart. I had said, hey, it's likely when we break this 786 up here, we're going to come down, and really we don't get cautious until around this point right here, which is the macro 786 from this high down to, this low up to this high, the 786. We have the 2618 breakdown extension on the medium fib and the micro fib breakdown 2618 extension. So we might have a little more room to come down here before getting cautious. And we have the pink moving average there, which is the bottom of the belly of the beast. So it looks like we already had a scary moment earlier today where we saw us come down and then we wicked up, and now it looks like we might be ready to continue down to the levels down here until we get cautious again. So that's what I'm watching. And then at that point, if we can break down through the bottom of the belly of the beast like this, like we did back in February, March 2024, we need to see continuation past this low down here for the melt up in altcoins. So that's looking all good. Momentum is looking like it's falling off a cliff as well too. TSI below the 0 line on the 3-day. We go to the 10-day chart, and we're seeing it cross down ferociously right now. So it's looking pretty solid. Looking at the alt season pulse chart. Alt season pulse chart is now officially swallowed up by the belly of the beast. This 15-day candle closes in a day and 4 hours. Last time we had multiple candles close within the belly of the beast with the bodies, that was back here in like February, January 2021, which was the previous big melt up for altcoins, face melting rallies in the previous bull market. So in the next 15 days, if we hold another candle body in the belly of the beast, it's game on. We know it's game on. So looking very solid there, and we have that momentum curling over hard right now. So it looks like with the alt season pulse chart, Bitcoin dominance, others dominance, we're finally here at the moment. Looking at the total crypto market cap, we do have a short-term kind of trend line support right here that we touched down and held support on. We could go up a little bit higher to hit the 4236 extension, which would be around 3.4 trillion. We already touched down at 3.3 trillion. We need to get above that level, hold that support. We do have 1 day prepare to sell soon, so it wouldn't be out of the realms for us to maybe come down, hit that purple MA on the snakes, retest some key levels, and then work our way back up for December. So keep that on the radar. That's the total crypto market cap. Looking at the anomalies now. Let's look at some high time frame anomalies, because we got, for the first time ever, XLM, XRP. Let me kind of hide the background here. We got XRP with high time frame anomaly back a week and a day ago. Same with XLM a week and a day ago. Stronghold doing one right now. We have others doing anomalies right now. Pepe 4 days ago. HBAR 6 days ago. Algo right now. 88 2 days ago. Dot now. Casper 6 days ago. It's like the fantasy of every utility coin holder. I'm telling you, I would have never expected all the utility coins to have high time frame anomalies. That just means we're entering the regulated run, in my opinion. So looking solid, everything's looking good right now. I'm gonna hit the Discord with some charts for specific altcoins like XRP with that 10-day prepare to sell soon. We haven't seen those since the previous bull markets for XRP. And then XLM as well too, 10-day buy now, literally nipping the bottom, and then right to a 10-day prepare to sell soon, just like the previous bull markets. When that 10-day sell now comes in, guys, you gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. What goes up must come down. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. That's what I'll be doing, and that's what the Stargate VIPs will be following. They'll be following the signals as well. So if you want access to the Stargate signals, running a Black Friday sale, link in the bio, go to the website, ask for the Black Friday sale details, and we'll get you kitted and suited up with that. But that's going to be it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Things are looking spicy, and I'll see you guys in the Discord.